Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's your boy Eric, aka Zarly, bringing you something quite interesting today. So today is the festival, and we're gonna go check that out. So I'm gonna keep it short, keep it simple. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you at the festival. Makes sense. 120, 140 pounds. Nice.
About 16 bucks per row. I have 64 on this beast.
Lot of meat.
I brought it in here and I just kept it on. Kept it like probably 40 degrees, keep it warm overnight. Then I come back in the morning, crank this back up, heat her back up to serve that.
That's some barbecue.
And I do about 60 bucks at a time. I run double grace on those 3 drops so I can get these two there. And I do, if I don't have the hog on there, I can get almost like 30, 50, 40 bucks on that. Or 80 pounds of chicken wings.
I ain't gonna lie, I look good in these sunglasses. What y'all think?
So you put a nice light coat on that.
Yep, got a nice white light coat of that.
That's actually the double garlic boar's night.
Yes, it is. And now we got a little bit of Ace's Wild high steak steak rub, and we're gonna apply that on next.
Back inside, that was pretty good. I mean, I was able to get in early to show y'all all the stuff that was there. It was only good yesterday and today, so by the time you see this video, it will be over with already. So for everybody that came out there, it was really fun. Got all these passes, had a lot of drinks. I guess I don't really drink, but hope you guys did enjoy, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Until then, I shall see you later.